Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy. And in this edition, it's 6 in the morning. Look at that tree. It's so cool. Big ass fallen tree. Part of me wants to like walk across it and die over there, but I slept without a rainfly under the stars. It was perfect. It was a perfect little situation in there. And first things first, I went deep into the forest to cleanse my body. And I saved some cardboard to start a fire in the morning, but it's a MotoGP weekend, so I can't hang out here for too long. Therefore, let's get to it. Start making coffee. Simple things. Coffee filter. One issue I just remembered is that I forgot a mug, so I'm gonna have to use this, which is basically a ginormous mug. Works. So I got my stove, I got my fuel. Whoa. And I got my pot. There we go. There we go. So, first thing first, pull this puppy out. Oh, man. Weird, emotional days. Isn't it weird? Look, it looks like a swastika in there. Savage. This company is a savage. So yeah, basically, after this little coffee, I am going to fuck off and go to New York City. So here we go. See the spark? Nope. Alright, let me get a lighter out. Go into my survival bag. There we go. The survival bag. The most important survival. So. Look at this. Nice little flame like that. Make sure it's on flat ground. Now we can add some water in there. Let me actually take a cup. I always measure out the water so that way I don't boil too much or not enough. Whoa ho ho. This is obviously on the slant, but I do think it's going to be okay. We can cover this so it boils faster. Damn, bro. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. This is a bad placement. What the hell? Why are we having so much trouble? Hold on for a sec. Let me fix this. Put some sticks under here. Make it flat. There we go. All right. In fact, I have it all backwards. Everything is backwards. What the hell's going on? There we go. Nope. I'm out of control. This is the first time I'm having this much difficulty. Normally I'm a goddamn ace. Alright. Are we good? Good. Alright. Now we take a filter. Unfortunately, this one uses filters, which is okay because I'm in the forest. I'd have to hike down to the river to wash this, and I'm just like, not in the mood for that. All right, coffee. The water is like boiling already. I can basically hear it. We got a little scoop here, so technically we need just a scoop or two. Don't need much more. Boom. That's it. How are we looking? Almost ready. Oh boy. I don't understand what happened to my table over the winter. But it's not level. And the whole point of this was that it was leveled. What are you gonna do? It's quite interesting because it's a little after 6 and it's already nearly 70 degrees. Almost boiling. I'm just waiting for the water to boil. There it is. Should have taken longer than usual, but it certainly is boiling. Yep. There we go. Oh. Okay. And now we just pour the coffee. Slowly but surely. There it is. Right. Cafe. Once all this coffee drains through, enjoy a cup of Joe. And I'm trying to decide. I might have one. I usually have 2 cups before I ride back. We'll see. We will see. I know, not very exciting, but this is a video documentary. Got cut last night. Scratched up. Alright, I think we're all set. I think we finally did it. Alright. Now I'm gonna wait for it to cool down for a second. It is hot as hell. Let's try it. Mm-hmm. No, that's perfect. It's perfect. Now I just sit here and relax. Anyway, thank you for watching another part of my camping adventure. My weird search for something, for happiness. Weird search for happiness. Pretty awesome. I got a long ride ahead of me. MotoGP, Formula One. And then tomorrow is a busy day of work. On a weird, weird, weird thing called life. Alright. I'll talk to you guys later.